Hello everyone, it's me Chubby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to open multiple different folders all at once in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Notepad application and now just type @echo space off, hit enter. Now type start space, put a percentage symbol, put a capital S system, capital R OOT system root, and put a percentage symbol again. Now put a backslash. Now type explorer.exe and hit space. Now just copy the folder paths. So you can see here different folders on my desktop screen. So now just right mouse click on any folder and just select this copy as path, and now just paste it here. So similarly, you can type the same command and just change the folder path for the different folder. So now hit enter. So you can see I have added all the different folder paths here. So now once you are done, click on this file, click on this save. Now give any name, whatever name you want to give, and after that just add .bat and click on save. Now you can close this Notepad program. Now we have created one batch file here, as you can see here. So now what you need to do is just double click on it. So now you can see all the three different folders had opened all at once. So by using this method, you can easily open multiple different folders all at once in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.